Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of
Game of
Sound.
Well, everyone, we have an issue. You know what that issue is, Misty?
What is our issue?
We did it. We've gone too far.
What do you mean?
We got to draw it back just a little bit.
I don't understand.
They made it too hard.
Oh, we
Everyone.
made it too hard.
We made it too hard.
Sorry, guys.
Everyone was scared. Scared, I tell you. So scared. Let me ask you one question. Do you feel lucky?
What?
Do you? Do you, punk?
Yeah, boy!
We're coming at you hard. We're coming at you hard. With the best.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good.
No, just kidding. We're going to draw it back just a little bit. Going back to the old days. Or at least you get 2 out of 3.
Maybe.
Definitely. So let's get on with it. So here we are. Misty, you want to tell them? What is sound number 1?
Sound number 1 is a lighter. Click, click, click.
Ah, it's easy peasy.
Easy.
How'd you miss that, guys?
I know.
How did you miss
You
it?
can actually see the flame.
See the flame. And sound number 2.
You know what it is?
I don't have a clue.
It's a rolling chair.
What?
Yes, a rolling chair.
Let me see.
Play it.
Bing. All right then. And now, sound number 3, which you didn't get. What is
Do
it?
you remember the cat that came on the video?
Oh, Alex.
Alex. It was him eating.
Alex eating.
Watch it. Here it comes.
Ding. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. And remember, check back. Wait. Don't check back. It's.
It's coming.
I think it's here.
Game of Sound.
You start, darling. Hey, welcome back, everybody, to another grand edition of. You didn't help me.
I was listening.
What were you just doing? Do that again. That was so. That's so. happy.
Another edition of
Ah!
Game of Sound.
Hello, darlings. I'm glad you could join us. Come on, you guys. You. Ah! I made it worse. Ah! How do girls do this? So no one got them last edition, so we're gonna have to step it up just a little bit for you guys. We'll give you a little hint. As if the cat wasn't hint enough.
I know, right?
I know. So, let's see what we can do this week. And here we are
With
for
sound number 1.
with sound number 1.
Play it. Are you ready for sound number 2?
Sound number 2. Let's do it.
Sound number 3.
Wait.
Wait.
Sound number 3. I'm lost in here. Hey.
I think I'm having nightmares tonight.
Well. Anyway, hit that bell icon so you get notified. So you get notified when the results are in.
Can't even talk.
I can't. All this just.
All right.
I don't feel pretty anymore. I felt pretty earlier. I can't work with this clown. Leave your answers in the comment section below and hit that bell icon so you get notified when the reveal answers are in. So we thank you guys for joining us and welcome
Welcome.
or goodbye. I'm all tipsy turvy.
Tipsy
Or
turvy.
tipsy turvy. All right, so anyway, thank you guys for joining us. I hope you had
Yes.
as much fun as we did. And I hope you have as much fun as we do with these videos. One more time. And thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for another edition of
Game of Sound.